Hey, this is me, Beyblade Striker, with the 3, and I'm gonna show you guys my review on this blue Baywalker. Whoa, it's full. There, this one's there. If you can see, I don't think you can see that well, but if you can see good, see it's hard. But as you can see, there are some, or not, you can put 9 Beyblades in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 Beyblades in there. And it all, this blue base Baywalker comes with these four stickers that are on the, that I put on the top of it, the giant stickers. I don't know who, I know like 2 of them. It has this, if you can see, you undo that one this way, and undo this side this way, and you can open it. And it also comes with brand Cetus. Yeah, that's practically all my review on it.